Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Bus Lab. In this video, I will show you how to create a video using Canva step by step. This is a beginner friendly guide so anyone can follow along easily. Step 1. Open Canva in your browser. You can go to canva.com and log into your account. Click on Create a Design. This option is available on the top left corner. 3. Choose video with size 1920 by 1080 pixels. This is the standard size for YouTube videos. Now upload images or screenshots, then drag them into the Canva to create slides. You can also add text to explain each step clearly. Keep the text short and easy to read. Next, add transitions between slides. You can use simple transitions like fade for a clean look. Next, add animation. To make your videos more engaging, add animations like zoom or pan. This gives a smooth and professional feel. Final step, once your video is ready, click on share and download it as an MP4 file. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Digital Bus Lab. Thanks for watching.